Thank you for coming. This is an important press conference, and I thank you all for your interest and your presence here today. Let me first introduce myself. I am Paul Walker, and I am the CEO of Nestle Worldwide from Switzerland. And I have here with me on the table Shivani Hegde, who is the Managing Director Nestle Sri Lanka, only for a few months, but who has been responsible for Nestle Maggi in India for over 15 years. And I would say she is the mother of Maggi Noodles brand in India. Now I have mentioned that this is an important press conference and I want to speak here about the misleadings related to Maggi noodles in India. They have been really heavy in the media in past few days, and if I see you all here, I can understand that you have a keen interest. Unfortunately, I must say that recent developments and the growing concerns about the product has led to the confusion and has given us a feeling that there was nothing more important to provide an atmosphere that has the trust of the consumers, and that's why we have decided to take the product out of the market temporarily. But I must say that the product Maggie is safe for consumption, but responding to the recent events and the worries, we have extended with additional tests, and over 1,000 batches of Maggi noodles have been tested already in the last few days, and we have actually extended them with some secondary tests which are done with third parties, which are accredited labs and laboratories. And I must tell you that all those responses which came from them have been saying that the Maggi noodles are safe for consumption and are well within the regulatory limits that are established in India. And the details for the same have been shared to the authorities.
Hi, this is Babura. Hi, this is Babura Apte from Wall Street Journal. My question is, why has it taken Nestle 2 weeks to do press conference?
So it is because we have been in intensive discussions with the authorities to clarify and put our arguments and the permanent tests that we do at Nestle. We have been in constant touch with the local as well as the national authorities to say that look, we wait for the firm results and then we decide. We don't actually have the notification of any results of any tests that are done by the third parties or by the authorities. And you can imagine we are not going to do a press conference if we don't have the right data. We have to establish that trust, and that's our first priority. And that's why we are sitting here, and that's why we are taking the product off the shelf, even after knowing that the product is safe because we privilege the relationship we have with our consumers.
Hi, my name is Christopher Nolan and I have two questions. First is that your share has taken a huge knock in the last three trading sessions, and that's on account of the news flow that has happened. How are you going to justify this to the minority shareholders? And my second question is that Indian authorities seem to have indicated that they would want to impact your factories at some stage. Are you open to that?
Yes, sir. We completely agree that the share price is going down. But for us, the trust of the consumer is much more important because at the end of the day, the share is going to reflect that trust over the time. So I feel you have to have your priorities set, and our success is linked with how we relate to the consumer and other based on the trust. Secondly, the authorities visiting our factories, they usually do. They take up the responsibility. There are always visits and check on our factories, and we are totally open to share our factories, and specifically in this case, so no problem there. I think so.